snow color reveal dolls.
Level up!
The Swedmany Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following areas: Swedmany City, Iron Edge, Haven Crest, Westgate, Iron Edge Rural Area, Fram. Tornado starts at 18:35 and ends at 19:05 GMT. A severe thunderstorm was located near Westgate, moving west at 175 kilometers. This is a tornado emergency for Swedmany City, Iron Edge, Haven Crest, Westgate, Iron Edge Rural Area, and Fram. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado and 7.25 size hail. Source: Swedmany Times. Impacts: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Iron Edge City around 1840. Locations/other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Swedmany City, Haven Crest, Westgate, Iron Edge Rural Area, and Fram. This includes E6 in Fram between these places, Fram Hospital and McDonald's.
Play for small hands with cool